Ready to ditch those sky-high phone bills and join the Mint Mobile revolution? Let's get your service up and running in a flash. First, you'll need to activate your SIM card. Grab your phone and head to mintmobile.com. Activate. You can also download the Mint Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store and activate the card there. You will be asked for the 11-digit activation code, or ICCID, found on your physical SIM card. Type it and carefully double-check everything to make sure it is correct. Next up, it's account creation time. You'll need to provide some personal information like your name, email address, and create a secure password. This is your key to managing your Mint Mobile account, so keep that password safe. Choose a plan that fits your data needs. Mint Mobile offers a range of plans, from smaller data packages for light users to unlimited data for the heavy streamers and social media mavens. Before finalizing, take a moment to review your selected plan and payment details. Make sure everything looks good. Then confirm your order. And just like that, you're officially a Mint Mobile subscriber. It might take a few moments for your service to activate, so be patient. Once activated, you're ready to enjoy affordable wireless service. Now go forth and browse, stream, and connect with the world, all without breaking the bank.